Hey guys, this is Chad Thrash here, and I would like to show you what I think is the best tailgate in the market here. You've got some different versions right now of multi-function type tailgates where they drop down, they fold down, they have a step, and there's some flaws to that obviously. Competitors, if you drop it down and you fold it down, you have a hitch on here, you have to take your hitch off or you're going to dent your tailgate in certain aspects of their functioning. Ours is totally different. So first of all, ours is dampened, meaning very easy to bring down. It's not going to slam when you bring this tailgate down. Now, traditionally, you drop this tailgate down, say you got a loaded down ice chest in there, and you reach in and grab it, you're going to pull it. Obviously, that could hurt your back. If you pick it up and put it in, lean over and push it in, it could hurt your back, cause some problems there. So, with that said, we also have tie downs in the corners of the vehicle. Obviously this guy right here is going fishing. He's got a rod holder, it's tied down. We also have a bed utility group in here that would come across there and help you with things sliding. You can secure it, you separate your space, you can separate from luggage to coolers to whatever type of cargo you're hauling into this bed of the truck. Now, what makes this tailgate so unique is the other functions of this tailgate. So, with the hand up, it's going to come down normal, just like we did the first time. Flip your hand over, this swings out. Now, it swings out 90 degrees, and you say, well, why is that such a big deal? Okay, obviously, as we all get older, or if we're vertically challenged, you got to step up, right? Okay, so one competitor has a bar, but the other one doesn't. This is stable enough, secure enough, and still enough that you can use your hand here, step right up, walk right up into the bed of the truck very easily without having to grab hold or have a step ladder or anything like that. Step back down, very easy. Now this also swings open here, super easy. Now I had this heavy cooler here. I want to grab it, put it in the back of the truck. The only time I bend over is to pick it up off the ground. You save your back, you can reach in and you can reach further into the bed of the truck without having to bend and lean over so far. So that's why I think the Ram 1500 multifunction tailgate is the best tailgate on the market.